Dear students, today we will learn a little bit about World War II. In September 1939, Germany, led by brutal dictator Adolf Hitler, stormed into Poland. This was the beginning of World War II. Lasting 6 long years, it was the deadliest conflict in history. World War I was supposed to be the war to end all wars, but defeated countries believed they had been treated badly by harsh peace terms. In the 1930s, a catastrophic global recession broke out, which left many people poor and destitute. Disillusioned, they began to turn to new, forceful leaders for solutions. In Germany, the Nazi Party rose to power under Adolf Hitler. He launched mass invasions west into Europe and east into the USSR in search of more living space for the German people. At the same time, the Japanese fought to take control of Asia and the Pacific Ocean. The battle to defeat Germany, Japan, and their allies would spread across the globe and cost the lives of millions. There was a Holocaust during the Second World War. Adolf Hitler was convinced that German people were the master race and that other people, such as Jews, were inferior. Under German occupation, Jews were herded into ghettos, where many starved to death. In 1942, Adolf instigated the final solution, the murder of all Jews. He set up concentration camps where inferior people such as Jews, homosexuals, gypsies, and Soviet prisoners of war were gassed to death in one of the most horrific campaigns in human history. During the course of Second World War, Hitler's forces quickly conquered large areas of Europe. He then attacked his former allies, the USSR, but was halted by fierce resistance. When the USA joined the Allies in 1941, the tide began to turn. German forces were pushed back and the Japanese were defeated in brutal fight across Asia and Pacific. During World War II, it was one of the first wars fought with modern technology and electronics. Both sides became very good at spying and they used codes to pass on secret information. Spies and double agents did their best to outwit the enemy. In their own countries, they used posters, films, and radio broadcasters to spread propaganda, powerful messages designed to stir international pride or national pride, loyalty, and hatred of the enemy. Thank you.